Warning, you need to watch this video before 2027 starts. In fact, you need to be watching this well before the end of 2026 because Bitcoin is going to have one of the most critical candle closes of its entire history. At the end of 2026, this candle will close and I'm going to let you know it'll be one of the most historic closes. Everybody will be waiting by their seats, at the edge of their seats, waiting for this close to happen at the strike of midnight going into the new year. We will all be watching this candle close because this could be devastating for Bitcoin. It could be a bloodbath bigger than you could ever imagine if we do this one thing. However, if we do this other thing, it could be a hidden signal for incredible things to come in 2027 and beyond. It's going to be a make or break. We're on thin ice, and in today's video, I'm going to break down these two scenarios and let you know which one I think is going to play out. It's going to be one of the most legendary, most watched closes of Bitcoin's entire history. And it's on the chart that's right in front of you right now. I need to get into it. I need to get into this importance, and we've got to get to the bottom of these facts. Let's get into it. Recently, many of you have been randomly unsubscribed from my channel, and missing just one video in a market like this can cost you big time. So stop what you're doing, look down, and make sure you are subscribed. Here we are, Bitcoin US dollar index, and today we are on the 12-month chart. That's right. That means each candle represents 12 months of price action. And on this screen, we have a very distinct pattern. We have a repeatable pattern, and something is brewing, and something is getting bigger and bigger and more gruesome by the day. And that is the candle close at the end of this year could be the most monumental thing to happen to Bitcoin. And it has everything to do with this white line right here. Let me explain. You see, the past cycle, we had an absolute trouble in 2017 with the top of this candle in 2017, right? $20,000 Bitcoin was giving us trouble, not just for 2017, but also for 2018. $20,000 gave us a lot of trouble. And also we had a lot of resistance from that level in 2019. And we finally broke through it in 2020 just to create our new all-time high in 2021. But when we created our all-time high in 2021, we were met with new resistance. And when we fell down to our prior support. Our support from 2022 is the same resistance that we faced in 2017. Do you notice a pattern here? Yes, we are repeating this pattern, and it's about to get very, very serious. You see, what happened in 2022 is we actually held the support, meaning we held the support of our key market structure, which used to be our resistance. In other words, this was actually a sign of strength. We had a market cycle top. We collapsed into our gruesome bear market, but the bear market held critical support that used to be our critical resistance, now holding as critical support, which led us into our new all-time high, and the whole thing repeats. We have a new market structure here, and I'm here to tell you one thing and one thing only. If Bitcoin is to break this level, it's going to be catastrophic. And it's not just a break of this level, it's a close below this level. You see, we can come through here with a wick. We can come through with a wick all we want. So if you're watching this video in October or November or even December, and we are below this level right here, it still doesn't mean anything. It's all about where we close when the clock strikes midnight on New Year's Eve. You see, we could do whatever we want in October, November, December. We can wick way down. As long as that body closes, we're good. So it all comes down to the final day of the calendar year. And if it's above this level right here, which, by the way, is $46,000, $47,000 Bitcoin, that is the level to watch. So if we hold this as support, we're going to continue the same sort of pattern we had in the last cycle, which is phenomenally healthy. We held critical support, which used to be our resistance. We move on to a new all-time high. Everybody's happy. You see, all this can go south if one thing and one thing only happens. If on midnight you look up, I'm talking about 11:59 p.m. UTC time, and you look at this chart right here, and Bitcoin is below $47,000, and we close below $47,000, this whole thing's going to fall apart. I'm talking one of the worst closes in Bitcoin's history. We would not have any close as worse as that one. It will be catastrophic. It will be monumental. It will essentially tell the market one thing and one thing only. Hey, look left. You see, not 1 year, not 2 years, 3 years of resistance. We finally broke it, and we couldn't hold it as support for the first time ever. That could be an absolute bigger change of trend. I'm talking about we've got 15 years of data here, and that 15-year trend will have been broken. And if you break a 15-year trend, it takes a long time to recover. In other words, if we close below $47,000 on New Year's Eve, it could spell years and years. It will never be the same for Bitcoin again. Comment down below if you want some price predictions from me. Let me know in the comments. Hit that subscribe button, throw a thumbs up, and I'll see you back in the next video. Trade like a tourist or go with the pros. The FFA is where the real ones go. Link in description.